गुजरातांतल्यान म्हापशा पेड्या आयिल्लो सुमार 900 किलो सुक्यो शेवयांचो स्टॉक एफडीएन जप्त केलो. मोल साधारण 90,000. शेवयाच्या पाकिटांचेर तांच्या मॅन्युफॅक्चरांची सारकी म्हायती ना. त्यो सारक्यो पॅक करूनय हाडूंक नाशिल्ल्यो. हो माल पणजे येतालो. एफडीए फुडली चवकशी करता. वजनमाप खात्यान 2000 स्पीड गव्हर्नर आनी नोटी मेजपाची मशिनां जप्त केली.
आज आमी फूड एंड ड्रग्स ऑफिशियल्सांनी म्हापसा हांगा आज सकाळी संक एक रेड घातली. तितून आमी जवळ जवळ 900 किलो हे रोस्टेड वर्मिसेली धरल्या. हे रोस्टेड वर्मिसेली धरपाचें मुख्य कारण म्हणजे त्यो न्यूज पेपरान रॅप केल्लो आसा आनी न्यूज पेपर आमी फूड आर्टिकल हे करपाक रॅप करपाक यूज करपाक जायना अशें म्हणून आमकां फूड सेफ्टी ऑथॉरिटीन इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स दिल्लीं आसा. ताका लागून पॅक सुद्दां केल्यार त्यो मिसब्रँडेड फूड हे आसा म्हणजे तेजो खंय पॅक मॅन्युफॅक्चर केला तो सुद्दां एड्रेस इवन तेजे लायसन्स हे ना. आनी ह्यो आमच्या गोंयान मिनेजीस कॅम्को फूड्स कोर्लीम हांगा पॅक करपाक हाडलेल्यो आनी राजपूर सेव भांडार अहमदाबाद हांगासरल्यान त्यो गोंयांत हाडल्यो आनी हेजे कॉस्ट जवळ जवळ 90,000 आसा. ही एंटायर कन्सायनमेंट हांवें हांगा कन्फेस्केट करून तेजेर आमी सॅम्पल्स काडून आतां धाडून दिल्या.
दुसरे वटेन वजन माप खात्यान फोंडें आनी तिसवाडी तालुक्यांत मेळून 2000 स्पीड गव्हर्नर्स जप्त केल्या. 10 नोटी मेजपाची मशिनां आनी एक पेपर शेडर जप्त केला.
करन्सी काउंटींग मशीन आसा. हे करन्सी काउंटींग मशीन आमी कॉन्फिस्केट केल्ले आसा. कित्या खातीर हांगा डिक्लेरेशन जे दिता पळय न्ही तेजेर फॉल्ट आसा म्हणून आमी हे कॉन्फिस्केट केल्ले आसा. कित्याक म्हणल्यार हेजेर डेट ऑफ मॅन्युफॅक्चरींग ना. हे पेपर शेडर समज तुमी पळयतले आसले जाल्यार हेजेर खंयच डिक्लेरेशन ना की हे कोणें इम्पोर्ट केला, खंयच्या म्हयन्याक खंयच्या वर्सा इम्पोर्ट केला आनी हेजे MRP कितलो तो. And these all 3 packages are speed governance which are to be fitted to the vehicle. If you see the package, marketed by is there, model number is there, MRP is there, but nobody know when this was manufactured. These all things we have confiscated in the Tiswadi Taluka because all these packages are not bearing the mandatory declaration, that is the name and complete address of manufacturer or packer or importer. Number 2, month and year of manufacture or pre-packing date or importer date. Number 3, MRP is not there, and in some cases the name customer care number is not there. Like if you want to complain to somebody else, there is no way that customer care number is there. 8 currency counting machine and this speed governance around 200 packages we have seized.
And shadow machine
1 shadow machine. Yeah.
प्रुडंटा खातीर व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट तुकाराम मराठे.
भारताचे अंडर 17 फुटबॉल टीमीचो हेड कोच म्हणून भार घेवन लुईस दे मातोसाक म्हयनावयर जालो. ह्या काळात टीम इंडियन केल्ले प्रगतीचेर पुर्तुगालचो कोच खोशी दिसता. आता पुर्तुगालात वचून बरे टीमी बरोबर प्रॅक्टिस मॅचीचेर भर दितले म्हणून मूळ गोंयकार आशिल्लो पुर्तुगीज कोच मातोस उलयला.
I'm very satisfied and happy with the progress of the team in 5 weeks. These 5 weeks was very important to start to understand each player and the way they can answer to my proposal of training. And I'm very satisfied because we found new players also, and the team is more. There are more equilibrium, more coherence in the team. We have close to the imaginary first team, and for sure now I have doubts about when I must decide. It's not easy because we have 2 players in each position, and in some positions there are 3 or 4 players, and we can decide in the first instant to go in Europe. It's only 22 players, but even if you must play tomorrow the World Cup, in the 22 we need eliminate more 4. It's difficult now. It's not definitive because until September it's open, the group is open to come someone, and in the next step also many important is that in Europe the players have now a new contact with a different kind of football, much more difficult, and I want to watch these players have the same behavior, the same answer that they had until now, because here is a place in Goa. In this place, they are very confident, and I want to watch the players in another ambience, another oppositors, and the 5 Portuguese teams that we're gonna meet are very, very strong, and this for me. I can have a better idea about the personality, about the way of playing, the collective and the individual, of course.
कानोळी दर्यादेग हँडिकॅप फ्रेंडली ब्रिज करतले म्हणून कोळंगूटचो आमदार मायकल लोबो उलयला. तांच्या खातीर वेगळो प्लॅटफॉर्म, खासा वॉटर फ्लोटिंग व्हीलचेअर आनी बाकीच्यो गजाली आसतल्यो. व्हीलचेअर वापरतल्यांक अपंगुळांकूय दर्यावेळेचेर मजा करूंक मेळची म्हणून उमोजान कांदोळी बीच फेस्टिवल दवरिल्लो. एक वेगळोच महोत्सव, एक वेगळोच आनंद.
This is Umoja Beach Fest, which is happening for the first time in India. When I say Beach Fest, it's a beach fest with a difference because we have the Miracle Mile on which we are standing right here. Now this Miracle Mile is a ramp which has provided us, a base for people on wheelchairs, all of us, to go right up to the waters, which is not possible otherwise. Our wheelchairs cannot move on the sand. So this Miracle Way has actually provided miracle to us. And then we have fun activities down there. We have a floating wheelchair which will take us in the water, which is again a difficult task for us to be in. So it's like really all that dream come true that we really want to do.
Beaches can like that. The beaches because of sand, so you can please make this beach.
The idea is that Beach Fest is made as an example of what is possible when you have an accessible environment. You have this pathway for allow people to come down to the beach. You have accessible bathrooms, and you have an accessible place to eat and have refreshments. All of that makes an environment for everybody to enjoy the beach together. The idea is that people with disabilities, the elderly, mothers with prams, babies in prams, should not be left out of society, should be allowed to be here. So this Beach Fest is an example of what is possible when you have it, and we hope that this example is taken, studied and made permanent for everybody to enjoy.
This will be followed at Kalangut. This will be followed at Baga. This will be followed near Tito's also, because a lot of people come over there. And also at Shinkerim. Wheelchairs will be provided at the place. So we will see that people stand over there to help with the wheelchairs. And to complete all this, I think by October 2017 we will be ready. Kandolim is the first beach where we are going to declare as a differently abled, handicap friendly. Accessible up to the water. To start with, we will have a ramp in wood with proper material down, which will be not, it won't shake or something like that, but the top part will be in wood. Up to the beach, we will have differently abled, handicap friendly toilets, shower rooms. We will have, once you come in the car park, because we are developing this tourism land of 15,000 square meters into a car park for motorcycles, as well as changing room, shower room, toilets, with a bacterial plant for the wastewater.
हे बुलेटिन हांगा सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां prudentmedia.in वेबसायटीरूय लायव्ह पळोवंक मेळटात. नमस्कार.